been a minute. It's been a minute. Jay might still have it. Jay might still have it. It's been a minute. It's been a minute since I got on this TIG rig, boys and girls. I need to get one of those clear cups and all that fancy stuff on them. But it's been a minute. It's alright. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good, boys and girls. It's all good. It's all good. Let's keep on going, boys and girls. Let's keep on going. I got a Dynasty 280 water cooled or coolant cooled, and I had a line that broke, and I had to go cool it line. My blue line broke. Well, I had a pinhole in it for something. I need to get me some nice little stands, but for right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna roll it as I go. And I'm driving on my left foot, and I usually drive on my right foot, so we'll just see what happens. So, exhaust pipe, boys, nasty, nasty, nasty. Eyeballs. Y'all still good? Y'all still with me? Throwing the crystal a little bit on me. There we go. What do you think about that build on a budget? It's been a minute since I picked up a TIG. Well, let me take that back. It's been a minute since I picked up my TIG. But I believe that right there. I believe that'll work, boys and girls. One down, many more to go. Remember what I said, boys and girls? Don't worry about the man up the road or the man down the road. Sweep off your own front porch. Worry about sweeping off anybody else. Put God first, that loose end drag. Peace on chicken grease. I'm out.